want to show you a trade that will make you $611 profit in 2 days. It consists of buying a position called a covered stock. Buying a covered stock allows you to buy a stock at a discount due to the premium collected, similar to the premium collected at the time you sell a put-in-the-wheel strategy. The difference is you don't have to wait for the price, sometimes weeks, to get the stock putted to you and then turning around and selling a covered call against the stock you purchased as in the wheel strategy. With this strategy you can profit in shorter time and repeat again after expiration. This strategy works best in a bullish market but can be used in a slightly bearish market. To start, we will go to the call side of the option chain and Think or Swim platform. Then we will right-click on the 580 strike at the money, then select Buy in Covered Stock. You can see the stock price you are purchasing is less than the stock trading price. This is because of the premium you will receive at the time of the transaction. Next, we will look at the math to determine our profit. In my previous transaction, here is the math. I bought 100 shares of Meta at 579.49. And at the same time sold a covered call at 580 strike for a credit of 5.60. If the position closes in the money, this is the results. 580 minus 579.49 is equal to 0.51. 0.51 plus 5.60 equals 6.11. 6.11 times 100 is equal to 611. $611 would be the total profit if the position expires in the money. If the position closes out of the money, this would be the results. 5.60 times 100 is equal to 560. $560 would be the total profit if the position closes out of the money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.